Alpha Pro support to custom keys, including double standard, single internal groove, double internal groove, dimple, single standard, single external groove, double external groove and tubular keys, etc. First, we need the original key data. Take HYN11 as an example. Below are the details of this key. Click Custom Keys button in Home page, add new key, to create a totally new profile, load from Profile ID, to make small adjustments for current key data if needed, then click Add New Key, click Double Standard, choose Shoulder, and AB Same. Input the parameters in space location. This key is 8 cut. If the key is evenly spaced, you can click Auto button to populate it. Input the parameters 100 in space width, click Auto button to populate it. Input the parameters in depth, click Auto button to populate it. Depth name, use the default value. Input the parameters in width. Choose side D of S1 jaw, name the new key data. Multi-profile list. This feature allows the association of two sets of data. Support add new key or load from Profile ID. This video has been associated with the key data. Click Switch to switch between side A and side B. Edit the key data. Delete the key data. Fix the original key on side D of S1 jaw. This key is shoulder align. Use the stopper as a guide to align key shoulder. Click Decode to start decoding. After decoding is done, fix a new key blank on side D of S1 jaw, same as the way for decoding a fixed key. Click Cut to start cutting. All cutting is done. Please clean the debris and test that the new keys works well.